LOL, and it's my first unboxing video. And let's go! Go! Ta-da! This is the LOL box that I got, and it's called the Present Surprise. This one is kind of new like the other ones. This one is inside the box, and it's like a present box. It has cute ribbon on, and there's a little tag here, and it has a character on, and it says Happy Day. And on the back, it says to and from, and you could give it to your friend easily. And on the back, this is what shows what is inside. There are 8 surprises inside, and on the other sides, there are characters on here. And let's open it.
Whoa! Look at inside. It's so cute. There's a little bag here. A little party hat. Let's close it. Okay, the box inside is just like this. Ooh. Look at these. So cute. These are the instructions. And,
This is the logo. It has 4 little girls and a camera. Oh, it says group photo. Group photo is the name. And this is a sticker, so you can put it on anywhere you want. I'm gonna first open this one. Whoa, the bag is so thick. Look at this bottle. It's like a little coffee cup. And it has like cow logo. I don't know what kind of logo it is. The second one. Look at these shoes. They're so cute. This one is, I'm so excited. Look at this little purse. And this is sunglasses. Wow. This is the first time that I got a lot of accessories. A big one. The clothes. Look at it. This is so cute. And who is inside here? Well, I see kind of the face. Look at this. She's so cute. She has little, I don't know, like she has little cute hair, like galaxy hair, dark black lips. I think she's a color changer. Ooh, she's so cute. And now let's look at this. Let's find out who is she. Look at here. Ta-da! It's so cute. It's a celebrate and unbox me, but you can find me. And right here, look at this. It's so cute. Then you could collect all of these. Okay, mine is called Opal Cutie. She looks like a milk drinker. She's fabulous, and she's a color changer. Oh, and each box is like a calendar. Nice designing of this. Now I'm gonna put her clothes on. The thing to wear these clothes for these dolls is it's so hard to put these clothes on. So challenging. Challenging. There. Ta-da! It's so cute. The clothes are so cute. Next, I'm gonna put on her shoes. Boots. I wonder if I put on the right way their shoes too. It's sometimes hard to put their shoes on too. Whoa! Her leg twisted. Please go inside. There. Wait, no. Why is this foot not really going inside? Okay, there I think it worked. Cute little boots. Sunglasses. I'm happy when these dolls have sunglasses. Okay, one free two. Next, her purse on her arm. And one with her bottle. Ta-da! She's really a fashion maker. Ah, no! Okay, I'm gonna fold this hat. No, this paper is crumbling. Wait, everything is difficult today. Okay, there. Her party gets ready. It doesn't go on. This one is really good. Let's go shopping. It's so cute, a shopping bag. My new fashion star is gonna meet my favorite fashion stars. Abracadabra! Pyong! Pyong! I'm gonna show you my favorite fashion stars. This one is called Posh. She is like a Paris fashion star.
Wow.
She's really sparkly and she looks like, and her clothes look like donut sprinkles. The next one is a Christmas edition and it's called Tinsel. She has really fancy clothes and her hair is sparkly and clear. I love her because she looks so interesting and her clothes look so pretty. Her makeup is also really, I don't know to say, but it's so pretty. And she spits out sprinkles too. But I don't want her to spit out sprinkles because it's really messy. Look at the floor. She spit all those out. The next ones are baby fashion stars. This one is... Ta-da! I forgot her name, but I want to call her whatever I want because she could be called she's like so cute and she could be called like many ways because It is really, really cute. This one is like a rare one, and she color changes. And this bag is like red, and it's like a music style, the Queen B-side. I have LOLs that have sunglasses, but I gave the sunglasses. I share those sunglasses with every LOLs that I have. Next one is a baby, little Pharaoh. She's also inside a bag too, and she stands up, and she has a pacifier. She color changes, but I never tried it. Okay, now let's play with all of her friends. Done. Hey sis, didn't you heard that a new sis is gonna come here? Really? Ta-da! Ding dong. Is that the new friend? Yes, I'm gonna go get her. Hello, Opal cutie. Hello, can I go inside? Yes, you may. Where are you from? I'm just from California, still here, but this place is really new. You're gonna stay with us for some time, okay? Yes. You can look around the house, okay. Leave the stuff in the living room, okay. This place is really big. Oh, so heavy. I like your clothes, thank you. I really tried hard to get these clothes. Ooh, nice kitchen. Hello. Hello. Be quiet, the baby's sleeping. Okay. The baby's so cute. This room is perfect size. This is the restroom. Ooh, this is this is what I wanted since I was little. Move on to the next place. Oh, they're so pretty. Hey, I forgot to be quiet because the baby's sleeping. Is there anything else? No, but is it okay? Do you like it? Yes, it's so perfect. The kitchen's so cute too. I'm gonna go back to the living room. Is it okay? Yes. And why is there soda over there and a water bottle over there? Because we eat snacks inside here. Oh, I never thought there was a kid in here. Oh, I call her Sparkle because she's really sparkly. What are you watching? We're just watching a movie. Our Katie loves to watch movies with us. Oh. Can I go to the restroom and wash up? Yes, you may. Quiet. There. Oh, I put juice and sushi on there and you could eat it. Oh, thank you. I'll eat some. Ooh, I love sushi and juice. Where did you buy this? Oh, I made it. Oh, this is really good. And this table's really cute too. Thank you. Do you want dessert? What do you have for dessert? Chocolate cake. Oh, I love chocolate cake. Can you please give it to me? Yes, I may. Here. Thank you. This chocolate cake is really big. This is the first chocolate cake that is really good for my whole entire life. Thank you for inviting me today. No problem. Is the baby still sleeping? Yeah. Bye bye. Bye. 오늘 제 첫 번째 영상